Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxonist. If you love cooking, organizing your kitchen, or just making life easier with clever gadgets, you're going to love today's video. I've put together a list of 10 must-have kitchen tools that are not only practical, but also budget-friendly. Prices range from under $6 to around $30, so there's something for everyone. Let's jump right in. 1. Silicone Utensil Rest with Drip Pad, $7.99. Are you tired of random oil and sauce drips all over your stovetops and counters while cooking? This utensil rest has raised edges to catch all the mess, keeping your counters squeaky clean. With 4 slots, you can park multiple spoons, ladles, spatulas, or tongs without clutter. It's heat-resistant, BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and just $7.99. A small tool that makes a big difference. At number 2 is TrendPlain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer, 2-in-1. $9.99. This sprayer works as both a mister and a dispenser, so you can spray a fine mist or pour steadily. Each spray releases only 0.15 g of oil, making it great for healthier cooking. Made from BPA-free glass, it's durable, stylish, and easy to clean. And the price? Just $9.99. A kitchen upgrade that won't break the bank. At number 3, we have Umite Chef 33 PCs Silicone Kitchen Utensils Set, $23.99. This all-in-one set comes with spatulas, soup ladles, tongs, pasta servers, measuring spoons, hooks, and even a holder. 33 pieces in total. The food-grade silicone is safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and won't scratch your pans, while the wooden handles give it a classy look. At only $23.99, it's like a complete kitchen makeover in one box. At number 4 is Cisily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, $14.99. Keep your sink area clean and clutter-free with this rust-proof stainless steel organizer. It has 3 compartments and a detachable tray with a rotatable spout to drain water back into the sink. Compact, stylish, and super practical for just $14.99. In number 5, we have Alpha Griller's Instant Red Meat Thermometer, $15.98. Want perfectly cooked meat every time? This thermometer gives accurate readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. It has a bright backlit screen, is waterproof, and can be easily rinsed after use. For $15.98, you'll never second-guess your steak or chicken again. At number 6, we have AUOON Clip-On Silicone Strainer, $12.99. Forget bulky colanders. This silicone strainer clips onto your pots and pans, letting you pour and strain with ease. It's heat-resistant, space-saving, and dishwasher-safe. A clever little gadget at only $12.99. At number 7, we have Fullstar Original Pro Vegetable Chopper, 4-in-1, $29.99. If you hate chopping veggies, this gadget is for you. It comes with interchangeable blades for chopping, dicing, slicing, and spiralizing, plus a container to catch everything. Saves time, reduces mess, and makes meal prep a breeze. At $29.99, it's worth every penny. At number 8, we have Chicken Shredder Tool with Brush and Fork, $19.99. Shredding meat with forks is a thing of the past. This tool does it in seconds with its anti-slip base, strong spikes, and clear lid. Great for pulled pork, tacos, casseroles, or even shredding cooked chicken for salads. And it's only $19.99. At number 9 is the KongNai 4-pack Silicone Collapsible Funnels. $5.99 need to transfer sauces, powders, or oils without making a mess. These collapsible funnels come in multiple sizes and fold flat for storage. Super handy, reusable, and affordable at just $5.99 for a pack of 4. And last but not least is the Meat Chopper Hamburger Grinder Tool, $9.99. Breaking up ground beef or mixing potatoes has never been easier. This nylon chopper is heat-resistant, safe for non-stick cookware, and comfortable to use. At $9.99, it's a small tool that saves you a lot of hassle in the kitchen. And that's a wrap. These 10 affordable kitchen gadgets are practical, durable, and guaranteed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Which one do you think you'll grab first? Drop your pick in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more smart finds for your home. All the product links are in the description for you. Happy cooking!